your mic and turn on your camera, please. I want to see all the children over here. Jane, how are you? Jane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take out your classwork note. We are not going to do anything in textbook. Okay, reader. Take out your English classwork where you wrote yesterday meanings. Okay. Sehan, are you there, Sehan? Sehan and Jasiel, for a long time, they are not there. Okay, now, I just want Artrika, read out the meaning first one, what you wrote yesterday from your classwork. Read out.
Yes.
Please read the first word. First word.
Famous, well-known.
Very good. That's enough. Famous, well-known. Famous, well-known.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very, very good. Now, Rida, please read the second one meaning from your classwork. Second one.
Valley, the low
No.
land between mountains.
Now you must say valley, the lowland between mountains. You must say fast. The low, okay, must read every day. Third one, Joshika, read third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rida, turn off your mic. Good. Come on now. Joshika is going to read third one. Yes? Why, Joshika, you're not reading third one? Yes, read. Meaning third one. Yes?
Greenery.
Greenery. Yeah. Greenery. Tell me the answer. Read from the notebook. What is greenery? Okay, Shaina, please read. Children, I cannot waste time waiting for you because all the children are waiting. Okay, Shaina, read. What's wrong with Joshika? Shaina, you read greenery.
Greenery.
Yeah.
Attractive green leaves.
Yes,
and
attractive.
plants.
Yes, Shaina, I think Joshika read. Attractive green leaves and plants. Good. Shaina, read the fourth one. Children, you must be fast. You must be fresh. Yes, Shaina. Fourth one, please read.
Colorful with bright colors.
Yeah, with full of color.
Colors.
Okay, full of color or with bright colors. Now, I want Misty to read the fifth one. Misty, read the fifth one.
Heart.
No. Yes. Fan.
Heart.
Read the fifth one.
And
No. Read fifth one. You don't say fan. I said yeah. What is it? Tell me fifth one.
which page?
No, I don't want Misty to behave like. I'm asking Misty to read meanings. Mukhilan,
which page?
I am not going to answer to your question, Mukhilan. I told everybody to join 5 minutes before. I told you to take classwork note and which page it seems. Please be attentive, children.
My link is getting late.
No, you don't. Now we are reading the meanings. You have to listen what I'm reading. Reading is the reading meanings not in the textbook. Okay, now take your classwork note. Not page. What is going on? No page, classwork note. Meanings what you wrote yesterday.
Thank you, sir.
Misty. Okay, Misty, read the fifth question. You just wait, Mukhilan. Don't ask in between anything. You will know what book to be taken after some time. Misty, read. Misty, are you there, Misty? I'm going to tell principal, ma'am. Misty is not at all attentive in class. Misty, please turn on your camera and come.
Please turn off.
Mukhilan, please turn off your mic. You're talking to somebody. Sri Mukhilan. Misty, I want Misty over here. I'm going to tell principal, ma'am. Misty is not attending the class. Okay, Jeff, read the fifth answer, fifth question, fifth meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Good morning, ma'am.
My God.
Huge.
Okay, Jeff. Yes?
Huge. Very big.
Very big, huge. Very big, huge. Thank you, Jeff. I'm telling these children, join the class 5 minutes before because all other children are disturbed. Children, those who are joining late every day. And when you join, you just wait for some time. After 5 minutes, you will know what we are doing because I'm not going to start the class at once. I'll be reading the previous day's class. That's what I asked you to read, meanings. Now, take a new page in your classwork note English. We are going to write opposites. Take your classwork note, new page. We are going to write today's date. Just look.
Cannot see the presentation, ma'am.
Who's telling cannot see the presentation?
Riha, ma'am.
Who? Riha. Excuse me, Cyrus, can you see the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
I just don't know what to do. One by one, we'll tell like this and everything will be. I am presenting to everybody.
Ma'am, I can see great. Great to only showing, ma'am. Presentation.
1 minute. No, don't be screaming. Just stop, please. Just stop.
Ma'am, I can
1 minute.
presentation.
1 minute. Please stop now. Each
I-
one, don't talk. Alan, can you see Alan? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what is wrong with these children now. Punit, can you see the presentation?
No, ma'am.
Rika, now.
I am Puneet, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see Punit?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know who's this child Rika is telling always can't see.
Ma'am?
Rika, just check your, yes, who else?
Ma'am, great to only showing, ma'am.
Grade 2.
Yes,
This-
ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Rika, all can see Rika. I don't know what's wrong with your sister. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll children check.
Ma'am, she's saying that she can see grade 2 English lesson 4.
Can see only grade 2 English. It's only one child. Only one child. 1 minute, let me see.
Me too, ma'am. Ma'am, me too, ma'am. Me too, ma'am.
Wait, wait to look. Rika,
Yes,
I am showing only grade 2 English now. Excuse me, children, wait now. I am just showing you grade 2 English. I will come back to opposites. Why are you in a hurry?
Okay, ma'am.
Wait now, ma.
Ma'am, I can.
I am not showing anything now. Only I showed grade 2 because I want you to write.
Okay, ma'am, I
These
understand.
children are talking too much in class now. Please wait. Write today's date in your new page. For that only I'm showing this grade 2 English. Write 8-10. The rest I will show you. Why Rika like this? Wait now. We are waiting for everybody. Otherwise they'll be telling, ma'am, I did not write. Grade 2 English only I'm showing now. On the screen. Don't write anything. Only write today's date in the margin. 8-10. Now, I'm not scolding you children. You don't talk in between because you're confusing. Okay, I will tell you what, if you're not sure, if you're not seeing the opposites, all that, when I start, you can tell me. Not now. Now I want everybody to write the date in your margin. In the margin in your classwork note, new page, 8-10. Now, see ya. Number 1 was dictation words. Roman number 2 was meanings. Now write on the first line. Roman number 3, write the opposite. Please write. Please write the opposite. To a children, they know how to behave. I'm making 2B also to behave properly. In between, you must not talk. Roman number 3, write the opposite. Write neatly in your first line. Double ruled line. Now, first line, write number 1. Number 1. Leave a line, number 2. Leave a line, number 3. You leave one line and write neatly. Till number 5 you write now. Leaving one line, write 1 to 5. Yes, leaving one line, write 1 to 5. Then only it will be neat. Okay now? Okay. Now I will go back. Now, first one. Earlier, please write EARLIER. Earlier. Now, children, just put into like this. For that, you can draw one line in the middle till the end of the page. Till the end of the page, take your scale and draw one line. Don't put into, closer to earlier, don't put. Opposite of earlier is later. See, leave space after earlier, before later. Don't write together. Into must come, into symbol must come in the middle. You can draw one line till the end of the page. Let me see whether you're doing it correctly. Alan, show me your notebook. Just lift and show. After drawing the line down, you draw one line before that into. Put your scale and keep your scale and draw one line till the end of the page down. Because all the Hindu symbol must come in the same line. So better you draw a line. Okay. China, did you draw a line? Rika, did you draw? All must draw a line in the middle. So you can write neatly. Show me, Alan. Good. Okay. And don't draw under, later and all. Don't draw any line. Only in the middle, draw a line. Good. Now, I am going back to the second one. Number 2. Colorful. See, into must come just below the previous one. Dull. The picture is colorful. Another picture is dull. Not having bright color. Bright, dull. Colorful, dull. Same. Colorful and bright is same meaning. Please write neatly. Must write fast. Those are joining in between. Earlier, later. Colorful, dull. Still, I did not get Jasiel and Sehan. Yes. Next one. Best. Worst. Worst movie, best movie, film. Best thing, worst thing. Sehan, I'm calling Sehan, not coming. B-E-S-T, best. W-O-R-S-T, worst. Sehan, are you there, Sehan? Not answering. I have to inform principal.
Yes, ma'am.
Sehan, from morning I'm calling you. Did you attend? Now, third one. Now tell me. Sehan, can you see the screen fully? Sehan, I'm talking to you. Sehan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many words are written there? Write the opposite. How many words are there? See, it's just, I'm not going to ask. That Sehan is coming and going in between every time. He is telling yes, ma'am, and he's leaving the class. Sehan, it's come.
Ma'am, Saihan only in the class only, ma'am.
Ma'am, listen, who's this Dia? Who's talking now?
Ma'am, Saihan sister, ma'am.
I don't want any sister, father, mother next to him. He is not answering when I'm calling him. I asked him how many words are there. Where is he? Tell him to turn on his camera now. I am going to inform principal ma'am about this. Every day I have to scream. What other parents and children will be thinking? I want Sehan to turn on his camera. He is not telling any answer. How can we give mark for him? Sehan, please turn on your camera if you are attending the class. See now? Yes. Where is Sehan? I want to see. Please read all the 3 words. I don't want you to turn off your camera. Yeah, the children are disturbed. See, I don't know what to do. I'll see to you later, Sehan. Okay, children, all would have written this. Now, Juansri, read all the 3 words. Very bad.
Earlier, later.
Earlier, later in class, we can't call the parents now. No. Earlier, later. Say one by one. Earlier, later.
Earlier, later. Colorful, dull.
Good.
Best, worse.
Very good. See, I want everybody to learn in class. After that, I don't want any complaint. Other children are doing well. When they don't know, they're telling, sorry, ma'am, and they're attending the class. We want you to read. We are just making you read. Good. Juansri, very good. Next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Juansri. Now, 4th one. Joy. Please turn off. Jonathan, turn off your mic. Joy. Opposite. Sorrow. Joy means happy. Sorrow means sad. J-O-Y, joy. S-O-R-R-O-W. You must know all these words. Suddenly we'll ask you to make sentences. You have to write. Joy, sorrow. Number 5. Pack, unpack. Pack, unpack. Now 5, you finished writing. Now I finished showing you 5. Please write neatly. J-O-Y, joy. Sorrow. I'm telling you again and again. You have to listen to the teacher and learn. Parents can teach you later. And you have to tell the answer in class, whatever question I ask. Jasiel is not there, Sehan. Both of them never answered anything so far. Yeah. Towards the end, you must not complain. Anyway, I'll inform principal, ma'am, these children are not attending. You can give the proper reason, then I will accept. Okay. Now, whoever's not attending. Now, after this, leave a line. Write 6. You are writing in the middle of your blue line. 2 blue lines in the middle. Number 6. Shouted. Whispered. Shouting. Yes. Come here, mommy. Then softly. Shush, Mrs. shouting. You'll tell Annie, ma'am is shouting. You are making me shout. But whisper. And children are whispering in class. Parents whispering. Yes, answer. 1 + 2, 3. 3. Tell 3. This all is whispering. Is it clear? Whispering means telling anything in your ears so soft. Sometimes you won't be able to hear, but I will be able to hear whatever your parents or someone say. No problem. But certain things. Now I want Puneet. Puneet, can you read this, Puneet, for me, all the 3? 4, 5, 6, Puneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. Good boy.
Joy, sorrow,
Yeah.
pack, unpack, shouted.
Shouted. Whispered. Very good. Whispered. Now one more child. Jonathan Paul, he was going and coming and going and coming. Jonathan Paul, turn on your camera and read.
Yes,
4, 5, 6. Very good. Turn on your camera and read 4, 5, 6.
Joy, sorrow,
Good.
pack, unpack,
Good. Shouted.
shout,
Shouted. It's past tense.
whispered.
Whispered. Shout is whisper. Shouted, whispered. Very good, Jonathan. Now I think I can go to the next one. Ansh, John, Jacob, are you there, Ansh? Ansh, to be... No, to be separately, I'm calling. I'm giving marks, otherwise they won't know the children. Ansh, John. No, he's not there. Okay, now, because I want to know whether they have written. Sharon, Pranav. Sharon, did you write all 4, 5, 6? Sharon? Okay. Rahil, did you write, Rahil? Rahil? Did you write?
Yes.
Very good. See now how fast these children are answering. Okay, good, Rahil. Now we'll go to the next one. Now leave one line. I think 10 are there. Leave one line and write the numbers 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Children, you are leaving one line. If you want to write one more time, you can write and learn the spellings. Okay. Number 7. Cold. Yes. Who's this, ma'am?
I'm Punit, ma'am.
Where's Punit? Tell me.
I don't have space after it. That's why.
Next page. Next page. Next page. Okay, go to next page, Punit. Okay. Okay, Punit. Go to next page. Cold. Hot. Cold. It's very cold over here. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. You know all this words. Fast. Slowly. Fast. Slow. Even fast. Slowly. Go fast. Come slowly. Walk slowly, you'll fall. Run fast. Fast, slowly. Now slowly you write. Neatly you write. Number 9. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Left. We are just taking the word from this lesson. Right, wrong is there, but here right, left. Right, left. Yes?
Ma'am, we can write cursive writing.
Cursive, you have to write. I think it's Rahil. Is it Rahil? Who's this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rahil, you have to write cursive.
Okay.
If you know, you better write cursive, Rahil.
No, ma'am.
Good, good, Rahil. Right. Now, cold. See how neatly it's written. All the Hindu symbol in the middle. Cold, hot, fast, slowly, right, left. I want Judah to read 7, 8, 9. Judah, 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, please read 7, 8, 9 opposites with the answers.
C O
No. Read. Cold. Read.
cold,
Hot.
hot,
Yeah.
fast, slowly,
Yeah.
right, left.
Very good. Now, I just want Joshika to tell me whether you completed this. Yes, Joshika. Joshika, did you write? No. No answer, Joshika. No. Kailin, I'm not calling because she's not there. Morning, she wasn't there. Sujin, Joshika's there. Sujin, did you write 7, 8, 9?
I wrote, ma'am.
Very good. Why I'm calling one by one? If one child writes or two of them write, I will just see. I will wait. Now I know that all would have written. Slow writers can go back to the recording and write. Otherwise, other children will be wasting time. Now number 10, last one. Summer. Can anyone tell me opposite of summer? Anyone?
Winter.
Everybody see the screen? Very good. Once the answer is written, you must not say, because I got from one child the answer I wrote. Ma'am forgot. Summer, winter. Very good. Okay, now. Summer, winter. Now, 10 words we finish writing. Now, all must take a new page. All these Words are familiar to you. It's not nothing new. Summer, winter, cold, hot, fast, slowly, all that you know. Now, take a new page. Everybody take a new page. Now, this is very nice and easy. Write the heading. Make compound words. That means, ma'am will give you two words like sun plus shine. You're going to write sunshine together. Okay? Two words together. That only is compound words. Please take a new page. Don't confuse other children. If you have place or if you don't have place, you have to write in a new page each Roman number. Roman number 4, you have to write in a new page, because when we ask for showing the classwork, it should be neat. Take a new page. Please write the question. And you know all these words. You can just copy sunshine. I'll make you read. Yes?
Ma'am, I know this compound words. I learn in first standard.
Very good. Very good. Okay, now. Now.
Ma'am, I also.
Enough. 1 minute. The child is new and he's telling.
Me too, ma'am.
Yes, everybody. Now, see, children. I'm telling you, you're not supposed to turn on your mic. I know that you all know these words. I want you to write quietly, sit and write. Sun plus shine, sunshine. See, now one child started, all started. I know that you have learned, but I want you to just remember this again and go back to first standard and learn all these words now. Water plus fall, waterfall. This one you can write continuously, no need to leave any line. Water plus fall, waterfall. Note plus book, notebook. Neatly write in a new page. When you write the compound word that is together, you must not leave after sun space. You must write it together, cursive. Sunshine, waterfall, notebook. Now, Tarush, read all the 3 words, only compound words, no need to say plus. Tarush, are you there, Tarush?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read only the answers.
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Water. Plus.
Waterfall. No, don't read plus, only the answers.
Equals
Only
waterfall. Note and book equals book.
1 minute, Tarush. Only the answers, don't say plus. Just read only the answers. Sunshine, waterfall, notebook. Yeah. Sunshine, waterfall, notebook. Say once again.
Sunshine, waterfall, notebook.
Very good. Very good, Tarush. Now,
Thank you.
children, okay. Now, I just want Yuvan. Yuvan, are you there? Yuvan, I want to know whether you have written this. Yuvan, long time I haven't seen this boy. Yuvan, are you there? Yes, I think I can see you joining the class, but your camera is not on. Yuvan? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yuvan, turn on your camera. I just want to see you. Okay. Come on. And read all the, good. Read all the 3 words, because I'll miss all the faces. Read all the 3 answers. Sunshine, waterfall, notebook. Read. Turn on your mic. Your mic is off. Now you read.
Sun plus shine.
No. Don't say plus. You read only the answers. Sunshine. Waterfall. Yeah.
Waterfalls.
Waterfall, not waterfalls. Yes, notebook. Very good. Now, please write rainfall, cupboard,
Ma'am, I did not finish
Don't write,
1, 2,
don't write,
3.
ma'am. Juanshree, afterwards we can do, not now. You just copy 4, 5, 6 now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will just show you. Don't worry. Rain plus, you have to write fast. I'm waiting for everybody. That's what I'm asking questions to other children. By now, you must write. Rain plus fall. Rainfall. You write only rain plus fall. You can write the answers later. Cup plus board. Actually, it's cup plus board is cupboard. Book plus shelf. Bookshelf. Remove that plus and write the answers. Bookshelf. Just wait 5 minutes. You can finish this now. I will wait for you. Just 5 minutes. Rain plus fall. Rainfall. Cup plus board. Cupboard. Now, second standard children must write fast without anybody's help. Book plus shelf. Bookshelf. Now, Tanga Ratnam, are you there anywhere? Tanga Ratnam? Tanga Ratnam, see? No, yes. Please read only the answers after equal to 3 words. Come on. But what happened to your camera? Really, I want to scold you, but I don't want to scold you. All 70, 80 children will hear. Tanga Ratnam, turn on your camera. I don't know how to tell these children. Yes, Tanga Ratnam, you have to switch on the camera. I'll remove you from the class. I'm telling you. You people are just sleeping, I think, in class. Read all the 3 answers. Rainfall, cupboard, bookshelf. See what's wrong with her. First word, what is fourth word first? Look at the screen. Rainfall.
Rainfall. Fall.
Tanga Ratnam, please read after me. Did you write this in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. Rainfall.
Rainfall.
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Not cupboard. Cupboard.
Cupboard.
This board. Children, don't say cupboard. Cup plus board is cupboard. Okay, cupboard. Say cupboard. There.
Cupboard.
Don't show. Don't scream. Bookshelf. Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
Okay. Please write this. Black plus board. Blackboard. Butter plus. Oh, sorry. Please write. Only 8 are there. Please write. Black plus board. Blackboard. I will make you read at any time all this. Blackboard. Butterfly. Okay, Tanga Ratnam. Tanga Ratnam, you are not supposed to turn off your camera. Everybody for the attendance there, some problem. Everyone, and many are not attending the class. Tomorrow's special class children, that is first week, second one. Listen, I will ask you to show me your EVS classwork, house and all that. I'll send the names tomorrow only, not now. Now, hope you'd have written.
Ma'am, can you give me the 1, 2, 3?
1 minute, Juanshree. Now, did you write 7 and 8, Juanshree?
I wrote 4 to 8, ma'am.
Okay, now, wait. I will show you. 1 minute. Now, hope all would have finished. I will go back. 1 minute, children. She wrote, what happened? Why you didn't write 1 to 4? 1 to 3, right? Now, those who did not write, please write. I'm waiting for you. Just 5 minutes, you can have. Juansri, please write. Those who did not write, write fast. I will come back to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't mind being with you after class. You must not disturb me during the class time. Okay. Come on now, write, Juansri. I will show you the presentation. Don't worry about it.